Here we're going to fit some number plate bulbs on this VW Crafter. It's the same as a Mercedes Sprinter. Most fans are going to have the same setup, most cars. So we're going to put a screwdriver in here, pop one side of the lens holder down. Once one side is down, the other side should just pop out. So we're going to get our finger in there, try and pull it down. Looks like we've opened the wrong side. Push that up and the other side's popped out. So you got that little tab there that you press, and up the top you got the connector which will twist. I'll try and do that single-handedly here. Twist it off. And there you go. And we've got a bulb here, we're just going to pull it out. It's a 501 bulb. Then we're going to get a replacement and push it up in there. It looks like we might need our both hands for this. So now the bulb's in. You got a bit of burning around there from the old bulb. It gets a bit hot. We're going to get our lens, see where the two tabs are, push it in and twist it, and then we'll lock into place like that. Push one side back in, and the side with the spring tab, push that and it'll click. Here's the bulbs we've used. 501 W5W side light car bulb, same as your side light and the front headlight. That's all done. Thank you and goodbye.